Hello guys, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Today is the second video for the leak testing. Today we will be looking very briefly at the types of leak testing. Let us start. Here are some types of leak test for your information. First one is burst. The leak test method uses either a destructive or non-destructive test that ramps pressure in order to find the point at which the device will break open. That is burst. Pressure decay. This leak test method uses the pressure change of an object or system under positive pressure to identify defects that are causing leaks. Bubble test. In this method, a liquid or gas is applied to the surface of the system or components being tested, and any leaks are identified by the formation of the bubbles. Soap solutions or a specialized leak solution like Snoop is a fluid is commonly used for this purpose. Acoustic emission energy. This method involves detecting high-frequency acoustic signals generated by the release of pressure through a leak. Sensitive sensors are used to capture these signals, allowing the identification and localization of leaks. Mass spectrometry. It is a high-sensitive technique used to detect leaks in vacuum systems or sealed components. It involves introducing a tracer gas such as helium into the system and analyzing the gas samples for the presence of the tracer gas using a mass spectrometer. This method can detect extremely small leaks. We will discuss little bit in detail of this leak testing method. Pressure change management. This method involves measuring pressure changes within a closed system to identify leaks. It can be performed using a differential pressure gauges or pressure transducers. The system is pressurized, and any pressure drop or fluctuation indicates the presence of a leak. Tracer gas detection. Tracer gas leak testing involves introducing a tracer gas as helium or nitrogen into the system being tested. A detector sensitive to the tracer gas is then used to locate leaks. The advantage of this method is its high sensitivity and ability to detect small leaks. Vacuum decay test. This method is commonly used for leak testing sealed packages or containers. The package is placed in a vacuum chamber, and any pressure rise within the package indicates the presence of a leak. Chamber. This leak test method is used to identify defects that are causing leaks in a sealed environment, like a device or a package that was not built with an opening to allow the introduction of pressure for leak testing. Pressure crack. The leak test method is used to identify weeping in valves with a downstream sensor monitor. Pressure or vacuum. This leak test method uses pressurization of a text object and a reference volume. If a leak is present, the difference between the two will decrease. The process is fully automatic. Occlusion. This leak test method identifies obstructions in the flow path of a gas to identify defects that are causing leaks. There are several types of different leak testing methods I have just discussed in a very brief way, but now the most primitive and low-cost method let us discuss, which is bubble leak test. This method requires an operator to seal all open ports on the test part, which is then pressurized with a medium and submerged in water or sprayed with a soapy water solution. Operator then observes the part to see if any bubble leaks from the part, which would indicate a failed test and a potentially defective part. Bubble leak testing takes significant time, is operator dependent, is susceptible to errors, and offers no data collection point. Bubble leak testing is usually a poor method for most leak testing applications, especially with the complex system. bubble leak test and the different method, and the most popularly used solution is Snoop is in the pictures you can see. So that's all for this video, and be with me in the series. If you like the way of my teaching, please share my channel and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in these topics related to construction, inspection, quality control.